spousal maintenance. By now we know what spousal maintenance is, and what we want to know is, how do I apply for spousal maintenance? So we've put together this guide, which we hope you'll find helpful. We're going to have a look at when you can apply. We're going to look at how you can apply. We're going to look at what the courts take into consideration. So more specifically, under Section 25 of the Matrimonial Causes Act, what those factors are and how they play their part. We're going to look at what forms you need as part of the application. We're also going to have a look at different types of orders available. So you've got joint lives orders, you've got term orders, you've got nominal orders. So we're going to go into a bit more detail about what those are, and you can then decide which one would apply to your situation. Just remember that calculations are complex and the courts are going to take a varied approach because it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everybody's situation is different. So we strongly advise that you take legal advice. It's always a good foundation to have when it comes to divorce or separation. We've also linked to our spousal maintenance calculator. That's going to give you an idea of what you may or may not be entitled to. Just remember, this is just a guideline, but it will give you a good place to start. We also offer a free 15-minute call with our business support team. So they are on hand to help you with anything pertaining to your divorce or separation if you want to find out more about the mediation process. So get in touch with us, have a read through the guide. We really hope that it's helpful, and we look forward to hearing from you.